Yan. Ating wifi na bagong build. Yan. So, wifi 1. Yan. Okay natin. Ready for deployment na to. Yan. So, patient natin yung time. And, hulugan natin yung Brian. So, pang 5 wifi lang at 10 pwede dito guys. 5. Only 5 and 10 guys. So, yun o. 5 pesos. 10. 15. So yun o, 15 guys. So okay. Okay. YouTube. Yeah. So okay siya. Okay, meron. Good ang ating piece wifi guys, ready for deployment. Okay. Bye.